Wholesale isn't just an addition to your retail business, it is the most powerful profit lever you have. While standard retail focuses on the single sale, B2B infrastructure focuses on volume and lifetime value. Data shows that professional buyers yield 42% higher conversion rates when the friction of the checkout is removed. We aren't just talking about selling more. We are talking about capturing a market segment that operates on a different scale entirely. This is the foundation of B2B growth. The primary barrier to growth is infrastructure. Standard retail logic is fixed. It assumes one price for every customer. But the B2B engine requires a hybrid logic wall. You need a system that can distinguish between a walk-in customer and a high-volume wholesaler instantly. Without this architecture, your staff is forced to choose between retail speed and wholesale accuracy. We are building the engine that eliminates that choice, allowing both to coexist in a single unified POS environment. Precision meets retail speed. Manual workarounds are the silent killer of your margins. Every time a staff member pulls out a calculator to manually adjust a price or verify a discount, you are leaking revenue. In a typical high-volume environment, these human errors can cost upwards of $12,000 a year in margin erosion. Paper price sheets and mental math are not scalable. To move into professional commerce, you must eliminate the manual leak and replace it with hard-coded, automated precision. Professional buyers live on terms. If you cannot offer net 30, 60, or 90 at the counter, you are turning away the largest accounts. By integrating financial terms directly into the POS, you transform the checkout from a point of payment into a point of relationship. This flexibility in cash flow is what attracts and retains high-value distributors. It moves the transaction from a simple exchange of goods into a strategic partnership backed by a reliable digital ledger. Tax compliance is a bottleneck in the B2B flow. Validating digital tax certificates and managing exempt statuses manually ruins the customer experience. Our system validates these certificates instantly, linking tax-exempt status directly to the buyer's profile. This ensures that every sale is audit-ready and compliant without adding a single second of delay to the transaction. It is the invisible compliance layer that keeps your operation legally sound and operationally fast. Accuracy without effort. The secret lies in the architecture of UI extensions. We do not replace the Shopify POS core, we sit right on top of it. By utilizing the extension layer, we inject B2B specific logic directly into the native retail interface. This means your staff does not have to learn a new app or switch screens. The B2B capabilities are hidden until they are needed, maintaining the speed of retail while unlocking the power of wholesale. It is a seamless digital overlay. Manual discounting is a death spiral for your bottom line. The solution is a multi-tier logic engine that recalculates pricing in real time based on volume thresholds and specific contract rates. When a wholesaler adds items to their cart, the system automatically applies the correct tier, flipping the price from retail to gold or platinum instantly. This ensures that your contract rates are protected and your margins are preserved with absolutely zero manual input required from the staff. Security is the gatekeeper of professional pricing. You cannot have wholesale rates exposed to the general public. Our system uses a secure identity matching protocol. By scanning a unique company ID or buyer profile, the POS unlocks the gated pricing specific to that account. This ensures that your B2B logic is only active for verified buyers. It protects your brand value and ensures that your wholesale offers remain exclusive to your professional and verified business partners. Data integrity is the backbone of trust in B2B commerce. Every discount, every tax exemption, and every payment term creates a digital paper trail. By synchronizing your POS ledgers with your backend ERAT in real time, you create a single source of truth. This allows you to scale from 10 clients to 10,000 without ever losing sight of your inventory or your revenue. It is the transparency required to manage complex accounts at a global scale. The final friction point is the payment itself. For a B2B buyer, charge to account is the ultimate convenience. By completing the sale without a credit card swipe, you compress the transaction time by 80%. The system automatically generates the invoice, updates the customer's ledger, and triggers the fulfillment process in the background. This is the definition of frictionless commerce, a professional checkout experience that values the buyer's time as much as their high-volume business. B2B operations are not confined to a single store, they are a network. Unified stock visibility allows you to route inventory from a central warehouse directly to a wholesale hub or a retail branch. Our automated routing protocol ensures that the stock is always where the demand is. By visualizing your logistics paths, you can optimize transfers and reduce shipping delays. This is how you manage a global inventory from a single, high-contrast and fully synchronized tactical map. Infrastructure determines your ceiling. If you build on retail logic alone, you will hit that ceiling. But if you build for B2B scale, the ceiling disappears. It is time to move beyond the calculator and the manual spreadsheet. Build your infrastructure. Build your future. Build for professional growth. Build for B2B scale. The engine is ready, the logic is locked, it is time to scale. Build your legacy today.